my daughter thinks that I have the worst taste in movies, by the way. My daughter thinks that, oh my God, Mom, you just do the worst films because you're never happy on screen. You have never done a Golmaal. You have never... See, Papa, what nice films he does.
कुछ इस तरह काजोल ने बताई अपनी फिल्मों पर बेटी नायसा की राय.
She's like, why can't you do one film where you are not crying? And I'm like, yeah, baby, yeah, I think I'll try. How do I answer to that?
Well, अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियंस पर डटी रहने वाली काजोल ने ये और ऐसी ही कई और बातें कही फिकी फ्रेम्स 2013 के स्टेज पर, जब वो आई थी करण जौहर के साथ एक डिस्कशन करने के लिए.
You haven't behaved like a committed artist in that sense because you've always kind of...
I've not been that ambitious, basically.
Say some more quickly.
Well, I can say yes in part 1, yes in part 2, and yes in part 3. That's about it.
All right, okay.
और आते ही करण ने काजोल को दे दी हर टॉपिक पर जरूरत से ज्यादा बोलने की ये राय.
Now, you've always prioritized your personal life over and above your professional existence, true?
Yes.
You're supposed to elaborate a little bit. This is Ficky Frames. Everybody on this platform speaks more than required.
बस फिर क्या था, काजोल ने भी खुली छोड़ दी अपनी लगाम और हर टॉपिक पर दिया खुलकर ज्ञान.
Today I was in conversation with Zoya Akhtar and she is a big fan. She loves you on screen and she's like, please ask Kajol why she doesn't do different kind of films.
I would say that why don't you bring me the kind of script that you're talking about, because I really feel that there is a dearth for good tight scripts. I've had a lot of scripts come to me which are, as you say, out of the box and not really, not really, as you put it, commercial mainstream cinema. But I have not liked them. I've not liked the characters that I'm supposed to play. I mean, they've all just been seriously dark films, and I don't want to watch a dark film. Forget about working in a dark film. Have I spoken enough?
Yes, you have.
और इंटरेस्टिंगली काजोल की ये बातें सुनकर इस इवेंट पर मौजूद एक एस्पायरिंग डायरेक्टर ने लगे हाथ उन्हें ऑफर कर दी स्क्रिप्ट.
Kajol, this isn't a question. I need an appointment with you rather for one role which really fits you very well. The script is ready and it's really tight, and I'm sure you and your kid are both going to be proud of it. So I really need that appointment.
Yes, you can get in touch with Kajal's people now that she's heard you out. Remember, her name is Varsha and she has a script for you.
Okay, thank you, Varsha.
वैसे all said and done, करण और काजोल यहाँ ये डिस्कस करने से भी पीछे नहीं हटे कि कैसे काजोल has never been surrounded by any controversy, making her a boring celebrity to talk about.
You're never part of any gossip, Kajal, unfortunately. I mean, I have nothing sensational to ask you. There never has been.
I'm very boring to interview. I'm truly boring.
You have nothing controversial to say.
No.
Say 5 bad things about people in the movies and I'll give you a hamper.
और इसी डिस्कशन से क्लू लेकर किसी को याद आ गई YRF के साथ हुई काजोल की recent controversy.
There was a premiere of Jab Tak Hai Jaan where you were not there. So how do you deal with all these things?
जिसका जवाब देने में the confident lady became a little nervous.
One day at a time, one controversy at a time, as you put it.
This topic has kind of made the rounds.
Yeah.
And what you call, just like fashion is last season, this topic is very last season. So I think we should go on to
what is your relationship with YRF now?
My relationship? Wow. That sounds like he's my boyfriend. That sounds like the YRF is my boyfriend or something like that. I have a very cordial and very normal relationship whenever we meet.
खैर कुल मिलाकर फिकी फ्रेम्स के डे 3 पर काजोल के कई कैंडिड कमेंट्स रहे. Quite an interesting watch for the audience.
Thank you.
सुरुचि महतपुर करकोरे, ज़िंग, मुंबई.